Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore the healthy and delicious Parmesan mashed cauliflower for diabetics. Mashed cauliflower is a great low-carb alternative to traditional mashed potatoes, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. Wait, before starting video, I introduce you with MetaFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 head cauliflower, cut into florets, 2 tablespoons milk, 3 tablespoons margarine, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, grated half teaspoon black pepper. First of all, place the cauliflower florets in a large pot and add just enough water to cover. Cover and cook over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until tender. Drain and place in a medium bowl. Add the remaining ingredients and beat with an electric mixer until mixture is well combined. Serve the Parmesan mashed cauliflower hot, garnished with chopped fresh parsley if desired. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.